Hi, this is Jeff Blake, and welcome to WordPress blogging. I hope you're up for a massive amount of fun and a massive amount of information. We're going to be talking about getting started with the blogging platform known as WordPress. Now, I think what I'd like to do to start off here is I'd like to throw a list of topics at you, a list of topics that you and I are going to delve into in the next 8 odd hours. Okay, so here's our list of what you and I are going to be talking about. Okay, so we're going to start off with a discussion on exactly what blogging is and what it's all about, and what WordPress is, and we'll talk a little bit about WordPress's history and the history of blogging as well. And then we're going to very rapidly get into installing WordPress, and there's a couple of different ways that we can go about getting started with WordPress and getting WordPress to run for us, so we'll talk about that. And then what we'll get into is creating and editing posts on your blog. And we'll talk about a bunch of different techniques related to that. We'll talk about working with multimedia in your posts, so video and audio and some other media types as well. We'll work with categories and tags, and we'll also take a look at creating static pages inside your WordPress blog. And then what we'll do is we'll get into creating and managing what's referred to as a blog rule. You'll see how that functions. And then we'll also talk about viewing and moderating comments on your blog as well. From there, we'll also talk about adding additional users to your blog. We'll get into some customization for your WordPress blog. And then we'll finish things off with a discussion on widgets, adding widgets into your blog, and also installing and running plugins on your blog as well. So lots and lots of fun ahead of us here. I hope you're ready for it. So without further ado, let's get started.